Welcome to AI Insight Hub, your ultimate destination for learning how to use artificial intelligence to simplify life and build new income streams. In this video, you'll learn how to build real apps using AI tools without writing a single line of code. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to build and launch your first app using free, powerful AI platforms. You don't need to be a coder to bring your app ideas to life. With AI, you can create mobile apps, web apps, chatbots, e-commerce tools, all using simple instructions and automation. AI tools now do the hard work for you, writing code, designing interfaces, and deploying your app. Let's explore 3 powerful tools today: Replit Ghostwriter, Create.xyz, and Glide. First up, Replit Ghostwriter, a browser-based coding platform with AI built in. You type your idea in plain English, and it writes the code for you. Here's how to use it. Go to replit.com and sign up. Start a new Python or JavaScript project. In the right panel, click on Ghostwriter. Type a prompt like, "Create a weather app that shows temperature based on user location." Watch as Ghostwriter generates code and explains what it's doing in real time. You can run and test the app right there in the browser. Use this for technical apps and tools where you need back-end logic. Next is Create.xyz, a no-code platform that builds entire websites and apps with one simple command. Follow these steps. Visit Create.xyz and log in. Click on Start Building. In the prompt box, type something like, "Build a to-do list web app with user authentication and light dark mode." In seconds, it generates the app interface, logic, and styling. You can preview the app, edit the layout, add features with natural language, then just click Export to get your app files or host it online. Create.xyz is perfect for building full front-end apps without touching any code. Lastly, let's talk about Glide, ideal for building mobile apps from Google Sheets. Here's how to do it. Go to glideapps.com, connect your Google account, select a Google Sheet with your app data, like names, products, tasks, etc. Glide instantly converts it into a working mobile app. You can customize layouts, add user logins, enable payments or chat, deploy your app instantly. Glide is great for inventory apps, CRMs, or delivery tools, all from your spreadsheet. Before you launch your app, remember these tips. Keep your UI simple and clean. Use icons and animations to guide users. Add AI chatbots for better UX. Use tools like Tidio or Chatbase. Use free tools like Canva to design your app logo. Monetize with Google AdMob or Stripe integrations. If you combine smart tools and clear ideas, you can go from concept to reality, fast. You don't need a degree in coding. All you need is your idea and the right AI tools. Try Replit, Create.xyz, or Glide today and let AI do the hard work. Got questions or want a full tutorial on one of these tools? Drop a comment below. Like this video, subscribe to AI Insight Hub, and keep building with the power of AI. Thanks for watching.